Tweedledees and Tweedledudes, Miss Norris here again to talk to you today about line symmetry. So, grab a parent, grab a snack, and let's get started. The vocabulary we're going to be going over today are line symmetry, line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and diagonal lines of symmetry. Symmetry, one of nature's most beautiful mathematical concepts. Perfect mirror images that make your brain go, when looking at them. I don't think there is anything more peaceful than things that are symmetrical. Okay. Maybe not everything that's perfectly symmetrical is beautiful. So what is line symmetry? A shape has line symmetry if you can fold it and then both sides match perfectly. You can see here that all of these images match perfectly on either side of the line. That means they have line symmetry. Let's look at some shapes that have line symmetry. Rectangles, squares, circles, and some triangles have line symmetry. I want to talk a little bit more about those lines that we saw going down the middle of the shapes. This line is called the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is exactly what it sounds like. The line that divides up the shape to show symmetry.
You don't say!
Where we draw or fold the line is really important. For example, if we draw a line down the middle of this butterfly from top to bottom, then it has line symmetry. Can you see how both sides look exactly the same? But if I were to draw a line from side to side through the middle of this butterfly, the top does not look like the bottom, so this is not a line of symmetry. It would be a pretty scary looking butterfly if it had antennas and eyes coming out both ends. There are 3 different types of line symmetry that we're going to talk about today. The first is a vertical line of symmetry. A vertical line of symmetry is a line that if we were to draw it from the top to the bottom of this picture, both sides would match perfectly. The second is a horizontal line of symmetry. If we were to draw a line from side to side or from left to right, both sides would match perfectly. The third is a diagonal line of symmetry. This is a line, if we were to draw it from opposite corner to opposite corner, both sides would match perfectly. Let's take a look at some shapes and see if they have line symmetry. Does this shape have line symmetry? Did you say yes? Awesome. Does this shape have line symmetry? Did you say no? There's no fooling you guys. Now that you guys can tell whether or not a shape has line symmetry, let's see if you can take it a step farther and tell me what kind of line symmetry it has. What kind of line symmetry is this? Did you say vertical line symmetry? Awesome. What kind of line symmetry is this? Did you say horizontal line symmetry? Awesome. What kind of line symmetry is this? Did you say diagonal line symmetry? Fantastic. Did you know that some shapes have more than one line of symmetry? They are part of what I like to call
the Super Symmetry Squad!
Let's bring back some old friends that we all know and love. First, let's look at triangle. This triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Can you see all 3? And this is square. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Can you see all 4? A hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. And a circle? A circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry.
All right, my dear Watson. Grab your monocle, grab your bubble pipe. It's time to be a detective. I want to see if you can tell how many lines of symmetry these shapes have. Are you ready? Let's go. Does this shape have 0, 1, or more than 1 lines of symmetry? Did you say more than 1? Excellent, Watson. Does this shape have 0, 1, or more than 1 line of symmetry? Did you say more than 1? Nothing gets past you, Watson. Does this butterfly have 0, 1, or more than 1 line of symmetry? Did you say 1? By George, I think you've got it. Does this seahorse have 0, 1, or more than 1 line of symmetry? Did you say 0? There's no case that can fool us, Watson.
Symmetry is all around us. After this video, I want you to go around your house and see if you can figure out how many things in your house have line symmetry? Make sure to let me know how many you found down in the comments. Now it's time to review. Does this shape have line symmetry? Did you say yes? Awesome. Does this shape have line symmetry? Did you say no? Fantastic. What kind of line symmetry is this? Did you say vertical? Fantastic. What kind of line symmetry is this? Did you say horizontal? Awesome. What kind of line symmetry is this? Did you say diagonal? Great job. How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? Did you say 0? Very good. How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? Did you say 1? Very good. How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? Did you say more than 1? Awesome job. I think you guys have got it. I'll see you on the next one when we talk all about shape patterns. Bye guys.